Hi, Sawadee ka, Thailand. Hello, my name is Sam and I am excited to introduce myself in this video. Well, the purpose of this video is to give you an overview of my professional background, skills, and why I believe I am ideal candidate for the English teacher position at Mindanao State University. I am eager to share my experiences and qualifications and look forward to the opportunity to contribute to our academic community. I hold an education degree in English from Mindanao State University, and I have 2 years of teaching experience in English at various levels. Over the years, I've had the privilege of working with students from diverse backgrounds, which has shaped my approach to teaching. Most recently, I taught English at General Santos City National High School, where I was responsible for designing and developing courses in English language academic writing. I've also had the opportunity to participate in curriculum development and collaborate with fellow educators to create engaging, student centered lessons. Through my work, I have developed a strong foundation in classroom management, lesson planning, and assessment, which has helped me provide high quality instruction and foster positive learning outcomes. One of the skills I'm particularly proud of is my ability to create an engaging and interactive learning environment. For example, in my previous role, I integrated technology into the classroom, using educational apps and platforms to make lessons more engaging and accessible for students. This not only improves student participation but also enhances their learning experience. Another key strength is my ability to tailor lessons to meet the individual needs of my students. I believe that every student has unique strengths and challenges, so I make it a priority to provide personalized support. For instance, in one of my classes, I worked with students who were struggling with academic writing, and I provided targeted feedback and offered extra practice opportunities, which led to a significant improvement in their writing skills over the semester. Now, I also have experience with both formative and summative assessments, ensuring that I evaluate student progress accurately and provide constructive feedback. This helps students stay on track and allows me to adjust my teaching strategies to better meet their needs. I believe I am a strong fit for the English teacher position at Mindanao State University because of my passion for teaching and my dedication to student success. My experience in developing and implementing English curricula aligns well with the university's commitment to academic excellence and student development. Additionally, I am excited about the opportunity to contribute to the growth of MSU's English department and collaborate with like minded educators. I am particularly drawn to your institution's focus on its community engagement, research opportunities, and diversity, most especially. And I believe my background and teaching philosophy will help further the university's mission. In summary, my experience in English language teaching, coupled with my skills in such as curriculum development, student-centered teaching, and assessment, make me a great candidate for the English teacher position at Mindanao State University. I am eager for the English teacher position and bring my passion for education to your team and contribute to the continued success of your students. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I would love the opportunity to discuss how my qualifications and teaching philosophy align with the goals of MSU. Please feel free to contact me at 0919-285-5962 or in my email address, which is almersam.ahmad at msgjohnson.edu.ph. Now, for any follow-up questions or to arrange an interview, I look forward to the possibility of working with you soon. Thank you so much.